Hello students, welcome to analysis of indeterminate structure class. This is last class problem continuation. Okay, last class where we stopped in the step calculating distribution factor. Now we are going to take next step, moment distribution table. How we are going to prepare this moment distribution table, or how we are going to calculate the moments by using moment distribution table. Let us see. Actually, it is the last step in the moment distribution method in the calculation of moments, final moments. Okay, but remaining steps are there for calculating support reaction. For that is for useful for drawing shear force diagram, but it is useful for drawing bending moment diagram. The final moments are required for calculating bending moment diagram. Yes, let us see. Once again, you can recall the problem. Okay, this is the given problem. Analyze the continuous beam shown by moment distribution method. Okay, we calculated fixed end moments and distribution factor. Distribution factor you calculated that you got for member BA, 0.6, and for member BC 0.4, and member CB 0.46, and member CD 0.54. These values are required in the moment distribution table, so that's why I am recalling you. Okay, you should remember, and you can take these values in the moment distribution table. Okay. Yes, let us take moment distribution table. You should write like this. That means here these are the supports, support A, B, C, D. Okay, and in the support AB, what are the span circums? Here you can write like this. This is span AB and this is span BA, and considering at joint B, right hand side, span BC, and span CB, and span CD, and span DC. Okay, these are the members. And also you can write like this. It will helpful in the bracket. The support condition, the end support condition is fixed. Here also fixed. Here next row you should write distribution factor. Distribution factor we already calculated. For span BA 0.6 and for span BC 0.4. Okay, you should write this. Whatever we have the calculated values, you can write in the distribution factor row according to the member. Okay, according to the span. Next step, next row is fixed end moment. You can write fixed end moment whatever we calculated according to the span. Okay, fixed end moment AB, fixed end moment BA, fixed end moment BC, fixed end moment CB, fixed end moment CD, DC, like this. Okay, after balance, this step is very important. That means little calculation is there here. You can concentrate here. How we are going to calculate this balance value? How we got this 24, 16, minus 1.53, minus 1.8? It is the question here. It is very simple. Look at here. The fixed end moment values are there in the joints B. Here you should take joints. That means once you are going to take joint B, you should take just these joint B moments. Okay, that means these two moments. For calculating joint C, you can take these two moments. Okay, like that. At joint B, you can add the fixed end moment, both the fixed end moment. That means fixed end moment BA plus fixed end moment BC. That means here if you are going to add 66.67 minus 106.67, you are getting minus 40 answer. Okay, you can, if you want, you can write down. You must write down, otherwise you are not getting here. I'm not writing that step, so you should write down 66.67 minus 106.67 is equal to minus 40 answer you are getting. It is clear? Minus 40 answer you are getting. After, you can change the sign. It is very important. Always remember, you can change the sign. If you are getting minus, you can take positive. Plus, if you are getting plus, you can take minus. So that's way. Here you are getting minus 40, so you can take plus 40. Okay, that is the rule. That is the rule in moment distribution method. Take minus plus 40, plus 40. Okay, after you can multiply by this distribution factor. Here you are getting answer is plus 40 multiplying by, next step you can write down, plus 40 into 0.6, that multiplying by distribution factor. Okay, plus 40 into 0.6, you are getting answer 24. That answer you can write here. Okay, next what answer you got here? Next, plus 40 into multiply by this distribution factor. That means you can write down 40 into 0.4, 40 into 0.4, you are getting 16 answer. It is correct, no? Use your calculator and calculate the answer. You are getting 16. It is correct. This is the balance. Okay, by using fixed end moment and also distribution factor, we are going to balance the moments. So these are the balanced values, 24 and 16. I hope you got these answers, whatever steps I explained. Okay, you got 24 and 16. Next, move to joint C. Here how you are going to calculate? The same procedure is same. You can add the fixed end moment at joint C. That means 50. You can write down 53.33 minus 50. You are getting, the answer is minus 3.33. It is correct. Minus 3.33. Minus or plus? Plus 3.33 you are getting. It is correct. Plus 3.33 answer you are getting. But here, what is the rule? If you are getting minus, you can change the sign. That means you can take plus 3.33. Plus 3.33 multiply with distribution factor 0.46. You can write down 3.33 into 0.46. You are getting answer minus 1.53. Minus 1.53. Next, you can write down minus 3.33 into 0.54. Into 0.54, you are getting minus 1.8. Actually, you are getting minus 1.798 something, but you can round off to minus 1.8. Okay, two digit. After point 2 digit, you can round off. Like this, you can calculate the balance step. Okay, I hope all of you got this answer. Next step is carry over. Carry over is whatever balanced answer you got, no, that answer you can carry over towards next or for support, for end. How you are going to calculate? That's also the rules are explained beginning only. If the support is fixed, you can carry over 50%. You can carry over 50%. That means 12. 24 by 2, 12. And here also 16 by 8, 16 by 2, 8. And here minus 1 by 5, minus 1.53 by 2, minus 0.76. Like that, this balanced value 50% you can carry towards far end, and this balanced moment you can carry towards 50%. It is very important. 50% means divided by 2 to far end CB. Okay. Similarly, here also you can carry 50%. That means minus 1.80 divided by 2. You are getting minus 0.90. Okay. These are the carryover moments. You should write down here in this row. These are the carryover moments. Next step is similar steps. Okay, again you are going to balance. How you are going to balance? Again you can go to balance, add the both. Yes, after completing this step, finally you are getting these carryover moments. Next, again repeat the same step. Okay, repeat the same step. That means again the balance carryover, balance carryover, balance carryover. Like this, it will continue. Next, also same way you can calculate, but here you can observe here, it is very important. When you are going to next step balance, here you can take the final carryover moments, whatever final carryover moments are there here. Here you can observe in for span BA, there is no any carryover moment, so that means here 0. Here on the span BC minus 0.76 is there, so the final, if you are adding the 0 minus 0.76, you are getting minus 0.76. But the rule is you can change the sign. That means here you are getting 0.76. 0.76 multiplying with distribution factor. That means 0. You can write down 0.76 into 0.4. You are getting 0.3. Okay, it is correct. Next, again 0.76 plus 0.76. Don't confuse here. You should always change the sign convention when you are going to calculate the balance. Okay, 0.76 into 0.6, you are getting 0.45. Similarly, here also, here you have 8. The carryover moment is 8, but you can change the sign. That means minus 8 into 0.46, you are getting minus 3.68. Okay, again minus 8 multiply with distribution factor 0.54. Okay, 0.54, you are getting answer minus 4.32. Okay, after completing this balance, you can carry over these moment for far ends 50%. Okay, similarly you can calculate the remaining step. That means you can continue the same step, balance and carry over, balance, carry over, like this. Finally, when you are going to stop this interaction, this calculation, yes, it is very important, no? When you are getting in the balance step the same answer, approximately, at least approximately same answer in the joint. approximately same. Here see 0.018 and 0.032 and 0.02 minus 0.04, approximately same answer you are getting. Then you can stop the steps or stop the calculation or stop the interaction, stop the calculation, and after, but you should stop in the balance step. Okay, you should stop in the balance step. After completing this calculation, you can add the moments. Add the moments. How you are going to add? Up to fixed end moment to this bottom carryover moment. That means up to minus 66.67 to 0.009. That means column wise you should add the all moments. Okay, column wise. This is also column wise, this is also column wise. From fixed end moment to this last step up to balance. Okay, you should remember, and all add all these moments, you are getting the final moment like this: minus 53.88, 92.3, 92 minus 92.3, 56.4, minus 56.4, 46.8. These are the final moment. Okay, this is the way how we are going to calculate the moment by using moment distribution method. After calculating these moments, you can draw the bending moment diagram, and also you can calculate the support reaction and draw the shear force diagram. I hope the calculating support reaction, it is not tough for you. I hope you are understand well that so you should calculate the support reaction and draw the shear force diagram, and by using the calculated moments you can draw the bending moment diagram. I hope you understand this moment distribution method problem. It is very important. Okay, one problem, if you are understand any one in the particular method, one problem, for further remaining problems also same procedure or same, just the support condition and the load conditions are different. Okay, the procedure is same, so you should understand one problem perfectly first, after you can move to next problem. Okay, and also you should remember the procedure. It is very important. You should remember the procedure and steps and conditions. Okay, practice well. Okay, if you can, after understanding, after watching this video, you can write down the problem and try to solve individually. If you are stuck anywhere, open the video or open the notes, you can observe, and you can practice like that. Then only you are understanding easily. When you are going to solve individually or by own, then only you are getting doubts. Okay, so that's the reason practice is very important. You should practice well. Okay, and also you should maintain the notebook for this subject, and you can write all the problem and all the steps. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, happy learning. Thank you.